Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Hutch. I'm going to do a quick lesson, a review of titles and capitalizing titles so that you remember, and when you write about a book or some other piece of work, that you remember how to capitalize it so that you're capitalizing it correctly. So when you're doing this IXL, it's KK2. Capitalize the first and the last words no matter what. You always capitalize those, okay? Any words that are left over, you need to think, is this a pronoun or a noun? If the answer is yes, then you should capitalize it. So in this case, that answer is yes, an elephant is a noun. So actually in this case, it's actually an adjective, which is also capitalized because it's describing the type of man. Adjectives and adverbs are capitalized, so describing words, sensory words, and verbs and helping verbs are capitalized. Okay? Words like the, if they appear not as the first or last word, are not capitalized. Those are called articles. So our articles that we use most often are the, a, and an. Prepositions are also not capitalized. If you're in my class, you might remember me talking about prepositions being anywhere a cat can go. So over, under, in between, above, below, inside, on top of, that kind of stuff. Those are all kind of preposition or prepositional phrases. The other thing that is not capitalized are called coordinating conjunctions or short conjunctions. And how I usually remind people of this is I tell them to remember fanboys. So fanboys are words, the words for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Those are fanboys, okay? So Polly put a kettle on. I'm not even going to pay attention to what the first and the last words are. Put would be capitalized. It's a verb. The would not be capitalized. It's an article. Kettle is a noun, so that would be capitalized. To build a fire. Okay, not paying attention to the first and the last ones. Build is a verb, so that's capitalized. Is an article, not capitalized. Something wicked this way comes. Capitalized the first and the last one. Wicked is a describing word. This way. I think way would be capitalized because the way is like a noun. Not sure about this. We're going to see what happens. Oh, I was wrong. This would be capitalized. So that's good to know. Live, Maddie, and is not capitalized because it's one of our conjunctions. Everything but the best. But is one of our conjunctions. The is an article, so those are not capitalized. The is capitalized here because it is the first word, and it's always first and last word are always capitalized. Prince would be capitalized because that's a noun, and is a conjunction, and the is an article. So since they're in the middle here, we don't capitalize them. But anything that's first or last word in a title is capitalized. The, not capitalized, it's an article. Blink is an article of, I don't know if that's an article or a preposition, but I'm pretty sure it's not capitalized. And an is an article. The and swan should be capitalized, first and last word. Trumpet is a noun. For a long time, when I didn't know what this book was about, I thought it had to do with an actual trumpet. That made me feel really stupid when I found out that no, it's like the way that the sound of a swan. So there you go. Embarrassing fact of the day. So of and the, of is an article or preposition, and the is an article. Green eggs and ham. Eggs is a noun and is a conjunction. Hello. Dogs on duty. On is a preposition, so not capitalized. Bananas in pajamas. In is another preposition, not capitalized. East Bay Express. Eastern Express. Bay is a noun, so it's a place, so I'm going to capitalize that. Casey at the bat. Casey, always capitalized because it's a name, but it's also the first word. At is a preposition, the is an article, bat is a noun. In is a preposition, so it's usually not capitalized, but in this case it is because it's the first word. House is capitalized. Old is an adjective describing the house, so that's capitalized. And is an article, not capitalized. Scientists show Facebook is a downer. So capitalize scientists and downer. Show is a verb, capitalize it. Facebook is a proper noun, actually, so that should be capitalized. Is a helping word. Lots of people forget to capitalize is, but that should be capitalized because it's a helping verb. Is an article, though, so it's not capitalized. The fisherman and his wife. Fisherman is a noun and is a conjunction. His is a pronoun, so we're going to capitalize that. Nothing gold can stay. Gold is either an adjective or a noun, so that would be capitalized. And can is a helping verb, so that would be capitalized. Penny and her doll. And is a conjunction, not capitalized. Her is a pronoun, so it is capitalized. The love of my life. So again, not paying attention to what's first and what's last. Love in this case is a noun. Of and is not capitalized, but my is because this is a pronoun. How do planets get their names? Do, helping verb, capitalize it. Planets, noun, capitalize it. Get is another verb, and there is a pronoun, so all of this should be capitalized. And then it's spring. And, not usually capitalized, but it's the first word here, so it is. Then. I think then is a preposition, so I'm not gonna capitalize it. It's is a pronoun, though. I'm not feeling super confident. Then. I'm going to capitalize it. Let's see what it says. Oh, so then is capitalized. So dear to my heart. Dear would be capitalized. To is a preposition, not capitalized. My is a pronoun. It is capitalized. No man is an island. Man is a noun. Is a helping verb. And is an article. So look and pay attention. Which ones did I capitalize and why? Are you afraid of the dark? You is a pronoun, so we capitalize that. Afraid is a verb. Of and the we don't capitalize. Z is for moose. Is a helping verb. For is one of our conjunctions, though, so we don't capitalize that. Letting go and moving on. Go is letting go. I think this is a verb in this case. And is a conjunction. We don't have that. Moving is a verb. So that's what that one would look like. This is not my hat. Is this, remember, is capitalized because it is a helping verb. So even though it's a tiny little word, and a lot of you were taught don't capitalize the little words in titles, you do have to capitalize is because it's a helping verb. Not my hat. I believe that's correct. Don't and down. So let would be a verb. The is an article, not capitalized. Turkeys is a noun. So that's capitalized. Get is a verb, capitalized. You is a pronoun, capitalized. I did it! Woohoo! So there you go. Just to review, you've got, here, I will make a note of it and you can write it down if you want. Capitalize. Nouns. Verbs. Helping verbs. So remember, those are like is, are, was, were. So nouns, verbs, helping verbs, adjectives, adverbs. Don't capitalize. Oops. Fanboys. Don't capitalize articles. Remember, a and the. Don't capitalize prepositions. That's anywhere a cat can go. So thinking like directions, over, under, below, through, all of that. Hopefully this helped you. See you soon.